In this video, a clinic wants to identify all of their paneled patients with active diabetes who have not had a visit to the clinic in the last 6 months. And for this, we're going to use Client List Manager. So we go to Reports, Statistics, and Client List Manager. So we're going to go right into Queries, and we will create a new query. So let's call this list, or this query, Diabetes No Visit in 6 months. So once we have the description there, we'll click Save. Then let's start to add the criteria. So first of all, the client card. We want to make sure that we're looking for patients who have the type of valid Alberta patient. Next, we want to look at patients who have not had a visit in 6 months. So to do this, one click puts a check mark, and that means that those patients are included. If you click one more time, you can see it changes to the solid square, and that means to exclude those patients. So in this case, we're going to want to do the exclude, so the solid box. And then we're going to put the date back 6 months. So that would be November 26, 2016. So they have not had an appointment in 6 months. And in this case, we're going to look for all of the patients in the clinic. So this is why we're not specifying doctor or default doctor. The last bit of criteria that we need to add is the diabetes itself. So there are a couple of ways that a clinic could possibly record diabetes. The way that I'm going to recommend is to use diagnostic code. So this would be the ICD-9 code, and for diabetes, that code is 250. Make sure that you check the box. So let's look at the criteria that we have. We have all of the patients in the clinic who are a valid Alberta patient, who have not had an appointment in the last 6 months, and who have a diagnostic code of 250, meaning diabetes. So let's save this query, and then we're going to run the query. So you can see right away it pops up that 7 clients are found. And if you're wanting to do something with these patients, then you click Use Query for a List, and there they appear right there. So from here you can build work lists, you can create tasks in order to follow up with these patients. So that is how you identify all of the patients in the clinic who are diabetics who have not had a visit in 6 months.